Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching my Drag King tutorial. As you can see, I have my silicone bodysuit on already because it's impossible to get on after you do your makeup. So I'm going to be showing you all my makeup process. First of all, you want to moisturize your face, and I'm going to prime with my Good Hydrations Silky Face Primer from bareMinerals. Next, I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Soft Matte Longwear Foundation in the shade 255. And going to use a beauty blender to get that all over my face. Next, I'm going to use my MAC paint pot in the color Soft Ochre and prime my eyes. And then just use a sponge to pat that into my eyes. Next is the most important part for a drag king. It's to contour your face, and I am using the Kryolan TV Paint Sticks in the shade color 10W and the highlight color 00. I'm going to define the nose right over here. As well as the brow bone. And I also really like to cut the cheeks, and so I'm using the highlight shade for that as well. And now I'm going to define the nose even more. I'm also using shadows from my BH Cosmetics Hangin in Hawaii palette, which is a really great nudes, browns, neutral palette that I like to use for reinforcing my contour. And I'm also using my favorite Drag King lip shade, which is the color Ludwig from KVD Beauty. And now I'm using my MAC Fluid Line Brow Gel Cream in the color True Brunette for my brows. And making sure I highlight and define the jawline again. Next, I'm going to make sure that I cover my entire face with some translucent face powder from Tarte to make sure that it will stay on me the entire duration of the performance. I'm also highlighting the whites of my face with the white eyeshadow Tako from Sugarpill. And going in the brows again with my browns from the Hangin in Hawaii BH Cosmetics palette. I considered adding on fake eyebrows, but I thought it was going to look too heavy, and I wanted the face to be masculine but also delicate in a way, kind of like a Chinese prince. Alright, next what I'm going to do is dip into my Hangin in Hawaii palette, and I'm going to go into the light pink color Ohana just to give it just a little bit of eyeshadow over the eyes to make it look more lifelike, kind of more of like that anime or K-drama look. Here's the picture that I'm using for reference. It's from the movie Yin Yang Masters. As you can see, going off of the reference, I'm also trying to angle the eyes slightly upwards to look more like Wang Duo's face. Also using mascara to darken my lashes since they got covered with powder. Really, any sort of mascara will work for that. I kind of use a basic Maybelline mascara. And finally now I'm deepening it up with an even darker pink, which is called Paradise on the BH Cosmetics palette. And moving that slightly under my eyes as well and cleaning it up with concealer as needed. And now I'm adding pink blush all over my cheeks. And just for a little Drag King sparkle effect, I am using gloss, the Fenty Gloss Bomb in the shade Sweet Mouth. And let's finish it all up with the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray to make sure that stays on all day. And here is the finished look, complete with my wig that I styled myself. I hope this was informative for you all, and if you enjoyed it, please give this video a like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell for more notifications on future makeup videos. Thanks so much for watching.